Okay, so now you've purchased one of our indicators, and you'll see that with the email that you receive, you should have gotten a download link, whether it's the individual indicator that you purchased or the bundle package. You should have gotten an email to download one of these zip files. So we're going to import this into NinjaTrader, and I'm going to walk you through the steps that's required to import it. So you'll see that these are the individual indicators, and this is the bundle. The bundle, what you'll need to do is extract it. So you'll see inside of the bundle, you'll just have to extract it into 3 different zip files and import them one by one. So let's get started. Okay, so the NinjaTrader is already installed on your system. They have a great website and you can install it pretty quickly within a few minutes. And they have great support. So you should be able to install it within a few minutes. And once you have that installed and once you're connected, this is what you need to do to import our indicator. You'll need to do this for each indicator that you've downloaded or purchased. And again, each of our indicators come with a 2-week trial period. So even if you just downloaded the free trial version, you'll still need to follow the same process. Because every single one of them, whether it's a free trial or the paid version, you'll still need to license it. And so you'll have to follow this process. The first thing you'll have to do is go through the help section and click on third party licensing. Once you come to this screen where it says vendor name, and you'll have to type this in exactly as you see it with the capital letters. You would have to type in Price is King with no spaces. Price is King with the I is capital and K is capital as well. And then where it says user defined ID, you'll need to put your name in. So please put your full name exactly without space. And once that's one thing that you would need to make sure is that you don't have any space. Okay, and then once you have this information filled out, click on the submit button and you'll get this ID generated. This is pretty much your machine ID. And what you'll need to do is copy this and email it to us. All you'll need to do is just send us an email to customer service at PriceIsKing.com with the subject license, and then just say, hello, here is my machine ID. Please activate license. And then just hit send. That's it. Pretty much all you have to do is just send us your information, and what we'll do is we'll activate it. You should get an email, I would say within an hour, to activate your account, to activate your license on our end. And once you receive the email that your machine ID is activated, then all you have to do is restart NinjaTrader and then import the indicators. After after you get the email that your indicator has been received and you're activated, then what you need to do is, if you haven't already, you can import it. And the way to do that is you import NinjaScript add-on. So you should get the location of the individual indicators. When you get to this point, if you have just one, you just select them or do it individually, one by one. So for example, if I took this one, I'll just go ahead and open it. And you should get this message saying using a third party. You just say okay. This is just telling you that use it at your own risk, and that you should make sure you test it before using it. It's a standard NinjaTrader window warning message. Hit OK, and you should get a sound that it or a message saying that it successfully imported it. Okay, and you should get a message on your screen that says NinjaTrader successfully imported all scripts. Okay, and you just hit OK, and that just basically uh, imports the indicator. Now, what you can do is you can do the same thing for every single one of them. So now if you wanted to import the next one, say for example futures, the one you use for futures, you can go ahead and just select the futures and same message, you hit OK, or a message is saying that it's imported, and a little window that pops up. Okay. Okay, so now that it's loaded, let's go ahead and use it. If you want to see whether it's activated, you should be able to just simply go to the indicator button, which is right here, and select. Scroll down until I've imported two of them, so you should see two of them, the futures and stocks. So in my case, I'm looking at the ES futures. I'll select the future, click on add, and then hit apply. And, and I get a message because my PC is not licensed. So it says you need to activate the license, and you should get an email if you haven't. And this pretty much indicates that the license is not active if you haven't gotten an email from us saying that it's active. So pretty much go ahead and send us an email. You can when you click on this little send button, you'll get a little pop-up saying, please contact me regarding the purchase. This is the product that you purchased. This is my ID, and thank you. And then we'll get back to you regarding the activation. So once the license has been activated, we can go ahead and import the indicator. As you can see, the previous messages you got, if the indicator is not active and the license is not active, then you'll get those messages. And so if it is active, then you won't get any message, and the indicator will just come up and show you. So in this example, I'm looking at the ES 5-minute chart. I'll go ahead and add the indicator. If you go down, press the letter P to scroll down to the futures. You'll see the PIK RAM futures. You just go ahead and add that and hit OK. And you'll see that it just went right through. And it'll just start showing up. And you'll see the indicator light up. And you'll see the arrows for when would be an entry and when would be a long and short. And like for example, right here, if you had gotten short, you would have been able to capture all this and so on. And so that's pretty much how you go ahead and license our indicator. If you have any questions, please feel free to shoot us an email. A best bet would be to just send us an email at customer service@PriceIsKing.com. Thank you.